Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you for making my creamy 4-cheese pasta. For this recipe we will need pasta. I chose penne, grated parmesan, edam and mozzarella, Roquefort cheese, and of course 1 cup of heavy cream, salt and pepper. In our casserole with boiling water, add a lot of salt. Add your pasta and let it cook for about 11 to 12 minutes. Then, in the same casserole, add your heavy cream. Now that's optional. I like to add some butter to my pasta. I think that gives extra taste. But if you don't, by all means don't do it. Now, when the heavy cream is hot enough, I added my grated cheeses and give it a stir so that the cheeses melt into the heavy cream. Then add the Roquefort cheese and give it a stir again so that the Roquefort melts into the mixture. Add some pepper. And then your pasta. Give it a good stir and your dish is ready. I hope you like this recipe. In the end, if you like, you can add on top some grated Regato, but that's optional. I hope you like this recipe. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed already, be subscribed, and I will see you next time. Bye!